We're going to upgrade a new running boards from EvBase. That's a new design which has some Cybertruck kind of logos on the running board. I have this previous model of EvBase running board. Uh, this is very good. I like this design. Only issue which I have seen so far is like this running board goes below that baseline of the Cybertruck, and the bracket in fact even goes further below. So the only issue which I felt was it touches the curb on the side due to this real wheel steering design. Sometimes I happen to hit the curbs on the side while I'm driving in the low settings. Again, it's not bothersome, but I have touched once or twice in the last 1 year. So wanted to try this new design from EvBase. EvBase has been great to work with. I never mentioned one of these things. uh, I have this the door seal illuminated kit, which I lost one of these while driving, and EvBase was kind enough to send me a replacement one for the truck. So as I said, the customer service for the EvBase is amazing. So yep, let's try to get this thing installed. First, let's remove that and install this. Again, I won't cover the video to how to remove it. It's just removing 510 bolts. So let's open this package. So that's the left. It has the Cybertruck logo design. So in the upgraded model, they made it much easier for the installation. Basically, they have inbuilt those screws. You don't have to align those brackets the way it was in the previous design. The only thing that you need is these bolts. You just install flat washer and the spring washer. So you just install these brackets. These will be outside and those will be inside. This is definitely broader than the other one. Let's go to the yeah, this definitely has more room towards the other side, and it's much higher. It feels much higher than the other side, definitely, but the looks are nice. This is how it looks. Honestly speaking, I was not big fan of this. I like this one better than this looks, but since I installed it now, this thing is growing on me. I mean, it looks nice. It blends with Cybertruck. It does not look like it's an aftermarket part. That's how I feel, because it really blends very well. The other one really felt like it's something additional that you have added. Maybe it's because of the logos. So this is the other side. Link to buy is in the description box below. Use my code to get the discount.